All right, guys. Wednesday, April 17th, I'm in the shop. Let's see. What have I got done? All my outlets are done. I've tried to film this a couple times now, but as I told you earlier, things just haven't been going well. You can see that second row of wire against the back there. My wife ran that. I helped her. It's all mounted down. You can see the mounting tabs. Goes through the wall, down, around the corner, over the door, out, and into the outlets. She did this work. I helped her. The outlets I did. She didn't want to do those, which was okay with me. Since there's only 5 outlets on this third 20 amp circuit, on this box here, came out and it's dead. It came out of the top. The wires are just rolled up in the box with black tape around them, just laying rolled up in the box right back here. And it goes up and then up and over to right there. And what that's for is when I get my garage door openers, I will have the power right there, and they will be ran off that circuit. So that's all the outlets in the shop for now. That's all I need right now. I think I've got plenty at this point. That could change with this armor cable. It's real easy for me to just start adding more outlets, so I'm not too worried about it. Next thing is the lights. All the lights are hung. I have to buy the wire for them still. That row, this row I did like that so I could get the most out of the lights. I figured it would display more light like this because I didn't have a way to hang them right straight down the center. So that's why I hung them like that. And then that row. And each one of these rows will be controlled independently from each door. From that door over there and from this door here. The light switches will be right there on that edge. So in the box, I remember I told you that I was having problems with a breaker that kept it just wouldn't like snap in. Well, it was in this slot here. And this double pole main breaker takes up more of the bus bar that's going down the center, like much more of it. So it only left very, very little for the GFI to hook onto, and it's in both of these spots. So I just moved it down and it clicked right in and nice and snug. And instead of leaving this open, I put a plate over it, and these screws on the back, I cut them off so they're just barely sticking out the other side here, so that I would have nothing to worry about. Like if Preston got into the box or something, you know, I wouldn't have to worry about sticking a finger or something in that shit. But what's on the agenda for today are these garage doors. For some reason, it's been real hard for me to get these doors going. Why? I don't know. I don't know. It's just a matter of reading directions and bolting shit together. But for some reason, I don't know, man. It's just, I don't know. Sorry, I wasn't pointing at me. But what I'm gonna do is get off here and get started on this and see what we can do. So I'll talk to you in a bit. All right, guys, I tried and tried and tried to make sense of this fucking garage door bullshit, and I just can't get my head wrapped around it, so I just said fuck it, and I'm just going with it. So it's either gonna work or it's not. So I am gonna have to frame the opening. I thought I could not do that, but I'm gonna have to. So I'll show you what we got here. I don't know if you can see it pointed into the... Now let's walk over there. So this is what I've had to do. Put a piece of lumber up. That way my bottom piece fits where it's supposed to down there. Well, somewhat close. It's still not exactly where, but it'll be all right, I think. I just have these up temporary so I can get everything adjusted. It's just really pissing me off. For some reason, I just can't get my head to work. That's the beauty of this disease. It's not an excuse, it is what it is. And it's very frustrating. Very frustrating. So I will turn you on after we get some more done. Alright guys, I am done for today. It's been a long day to only got 4 panels up, but I still have a lot of adjusting to go. I did have to frame the opening. I think I showed you that earlier. I'll show you what we got. I can't put the top piece in until I have the stuff that hangs down from my rafters to hold the frame at the back. So, but it's a little more, it's getting a little more secure by the day. So, there's so many ribs on it because it's the wind bracing. That's what their wind bracing is, I guess. So let me clean the lens. I don't know if that helped, but that's where it's at. These brackets here, they're twist lock into the frame. That's all I have holding it up right now, are those 3 on each side. These ones here, all these are for wind bracing. But you know, it's not gonna fall down today. It'd take a lot of wind to blow it down right now. So I had to buy special self-tapping bolts to put in. One thing it's not making any sense. See, this one's at the bottom of these 3 holes, and they taper out in. And then you can see where this sits. You know, it sits pretty much even right where you want it. That's at the bottom. And then over here, it's at the middle one. And I guess maybe you can shim them. Maybe that's what they're for. But that one sits right there, perfect. So I don't know if that's what these are made to move from spot to spot like that, so you can shim the door in and out. But all I know is that the directions that you get with it are a fucking joke. This is 100% designed to have to make you pay somebody to do. I just said fuck it and gave up and threw the frame up, or the rails up with a lag in each one, and started building my garage door. I said fuck it. So I know the U-bar, the channels are right, but God, the directions are so fucking vague. It's it's a Wayne Dalton door, so it's not a bad door. It's just, I can't believe how fucking vague the directions are. You know, they're twist your arm and make you fucking pay somebody to do this shit. And I am not gonna fucking pay somebody to fucking put these doors up. I'm not gonna do it. So, now if I had a friend that did them, you know, I'd pay him on a side job to help, but I don't. So, but anyway, guys, that's it for today. We can get out of here. Emma thinks this is her new hangout, so that's good. But I don't know. It's just I'm a little frustrated. So been some long days and but yep, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll turn it back on if I come out. I won't be out tomorrow. We got baseball camp Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, so that'll be exciting. But we'll talk at you guys later. Take care.